Hello students, today we are going to discuss about C4 path by C4 cycle. In previous class we have discussed about C3 cycle which you have not studied, you have not viewed yet, but before seeing this video please go to my YouTube channel and see the C3 cycle. Clear? So the C3 was for we have already completed C3. Okay, next I am also shooted the video on C2 cycle, that is photo respiration. So you have to, now your job is to see first C3 cycle, that is your dark reaction Kelvin cycle. Clear? Then you have to watch C2 cycle and then only you are going to watch this video. So today the topic of discussion is C4 cycle. Clear? So the basic thing is which plants will perform this type of cycle, which plant we can find this type of cycle. So according to the name of cycle we can easily say that it must be found in C4 plants. It is found in C4 plants because its name suggests as C4 cycle, so it must be found in C4 plants. So now the question is, which are the C4 plants? We don't know about C4 plants. So listen, there are some C4 plants which the characteristics of which is normally they can grow, they can photosynthesis in high temperature and low oxygen or low carbon dioxide concentration. Clear? Which is opposite of C3 cycle. Clear? So some C4 plants are, for example, sorghum, maize, euphorbia, then sugarcane. You must write sugarcane. So these type of plants are known as C4 plants. Clear? Because this type of plants can grow in low concentration of carbon dioxide and high concentration of oxygen, and also they can grow well because they synthesize food well in high temperature which the C3 plants can't perform. C3 plants केबे करि परिबो नाही हाई टेम्परेचर रे आ लो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कंसंट्रेशन थिले C3 साइकिल हेई परिबो नाही बा C3 प्लांट माने फोटोसिंथेसिस करि परिबे नाही. दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन C3 एंड C4. क्लियर? सो अगेन जो C2 साइकिल हमें देखिथिले, C2 साइकिल, दिस साइकिल also C2 cycle means photo respiration. That means it is a harmful process. It is a harmful, we have already studied about it in previous video, harmful process because it undo whatever the work done by C3 cycle. Clear? C3 cycle द्वारा जहाँ भी काम होइतला that will be undo by C2 cycle. So this is a harmful process. Clear? Because it can't avoid the situation like low O2 concentration and high temperature. So due to low oxygen concentration, low carbon dioxide concentration, that means high oxygen concentration. Clear? High O2 concentration and high CO2 concentration. Both these two factors are responsible for C2 cycle. Clear? But in this condition, that means when concentration of oxygen is high, the concentration of carbon dioxide is low. Clear? Photo respiration oxygen concentration high thibo. Clear? Obviously carbon dioxide concentration low thibo. टेम्परेचर भी हाई थिबो. क्लियर? तो यही कंडीशन ले कौन हुए C2 साइकिल फोटो रेस्पिरेशन करे. बट C4 प्लांट कौन कर कंडीशन ले जो कनसेंट्रेशन गुड अधिका थी C2 टेम्परेचर अधिका थी से C2 साइकिल करनी C4 प्लांट माने है तो इन दैट केस दे कैन एवॉइड C4 साइकिल कैन एवॉइड C4 प्लांट कैन एवॉइड फोटो respiration. So observe that, concentrate that the situation is both. Situation is concentration of oxygen is very high, carbon dioxide concentration is low, temperature is also very high. In that case C2 cycle takes place in C3 plant. C2 cycle कहाँ रे हुए? C3 plant रे C3 प्लांट मानकर C2 साइकिल हुए ओके तो C3 प्लांट ए कंडीशन ले कौन करे C2 साइकिल करे दैट इज फोटो रेस्पिरेशन करे बट ए कंडीशन ले C4 प्लांट फोटो रेस्पिरेशन करिवो नाही फोटो रेस्पिरेशन को इट कैन इजीली अवॉइड सो दैट यार जो लॉस होतला फोटो रेस्पिरेशन लॉस एठी लॉस प्रोसेस टाटा तो से फोटो रेस्पिरेशन लॉस होबो नाही तो तामरा दैट मींस देयर मस्ट बी समथिंग different in C4 plants. In C4 plants there must be something different from C3 plants so that it is able to avoid photorespiration loss. Okay, so that is your Kranz anatomy all about of that modification is your Kranz anatomy and dimorphic chloroplast. Okay, so the basic idea we have got about C4 cycle. What it happens in C4 plants, it can avoid C4 plant can avoid photo respiration, that is C2 cycle, which is a harmful effect. It is in energy consuming process, though it is a harmful but still though it is a energy consuming process but still it is useful because it avoids photorespiration which is a very harmful energy consuming process. देखो एनर्जी यूज हेले भी ए प्रोसेसटा गोटे आम प्लांट भल कारण ये फोटो रेस्पिरेशन लॉस हेनी एनर्जी यूज हो फोटो रेस्पिरेशन लॉस को से लॉस को एवॉइड करुच्ची फोटो रेस्पिरेशन लॉस क्लियर energy consuming process. And another thing is you know about some example, for example maize, sugar cane, euphorbia hala it can happen but see in the photosynthesis can be occur in high temperature, high oxygen concentration. So this is a basic things. Then we are going to know what is the changes it brings in it, which type of changes, which type of modification it brings in itself, the C4 plant, so that it is able to avoid the photorespiration loss, that is C2 cycle. Photorespiration loss means C2 cycle. Clear? So there must be some modification. Okay, now we are going to see what are the modification in order to it cannot avoid itself. If there is no modification in its body C4 plants, then it cannot avoid the photorespiration loss because it will behave like a C3 plant. So in order to avoid the photorespiration loss in the given condition, that is high temperature, high oxygen condition, it has to modify its system in its body, okay, or in its cell. So let's see the modification in C4 plants in order to avoid photorespiration loss, in order to avoid C2 cycle or photorespiration loss. So what are the modification? कौन modification is? First one is dimorphic chloroplast. Dimorphic chloroplast present in C4 plants. Second one is your Cran's anatomy. We found Cran's anatomy to see in the C4 plant. So these are the basic two modification with help of which it can easily avoid C2 cycle photorespiration losses. Clear? So we will discuss one by one. So let's see first dimorphic chloroplast. What is this? As its name suggests, di means two, morphics means morphology. So we can simply tell that there are two types, morphologically two different types of chloroplast. One is granule chloroplast. Granule chloroplast. Another one is dimorphic. Di means two, morphics means morphologically two types of chloroplast achandi. Clear? One is granule chloroplast, another one is your agranule chloroplast. So the question is, what is granule chloroplast? I have already told about it, but I don't know have you remembered or not. In granule chloroplast, we know there must be some grana. That means stalk of thylakoids, coin stalk like structure. That is, and in between them there must be stroma lamella. Okay, this is stroma, liquid part, and the cytoplasmic strands or protoplasmic strands between this granum are known as stroma lamella. Stroma, S-T-R-O-M-A, stroma lamella. Clear? And these are grana. So in granule chloroplast there must be granum of thylakoid. Granum of thylakoid. So this is granule chloroplast. These are found in C4 plants. Also agranule chloroplasts are found in the C4 plant. But in C3 plants, you must remember there will be found only one type of chloroplast, that is basically granule chloroplast we found in the tree and plants, whatever we see around us normally. Is it clear? So in C4 plants we will found both granule chloroplast, agranule chloroplast. In which plants? Like maize, sugarcane. In these two types of plants we will found also another chloroplast which has only stroma in it, and the stroma lamella are also found, which are connected from the membrane. But there will be no granum. You have to remember this concept. There will be no granum. This is agranule chloroplast. Agranule means without granum, and granules means with granum. And basic difference is the granule chloroplast. This is granule chloroplast, and this is agranule chloroplast. Granule chloroplast found. This is found. Granule chloroplast is found in mesophyll cell. Mesophyll cell. I have already told about that. The cell which are present in plant leaves. Clear? Which perform light reaction due to presence of granum. Clear? Found in mesophyll cell of leaf, and this type of chloroplast, that is granule chloroplast, will perform light reaction, or you may tell the light reaction will take place in granule chloroplast. But in agranule chloroplast the light reaction cannot happen. In agranule chloroplast light reaction cannot happen, because for light reaction, normal light reaction which is efficient, that needs two photosystems, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. But in agranule chloroplast there is only one photosystem, that is photosystem 1. Clear? But here, due to presence of two photosystem, we can the plant can easily perform light reaction. Clear? But in case of agranule chloroplast, there is only one photosystem, that is photosystem 1, photosystem 2 is absent, so it cannot perform the light reaction efficiently. Due to this reason, the dark reaction only takes place in this case. Clear? So here in agranal chloroplast of C4 what will occur? Dark reaction, that is C3 cycle. Same thing, C3 cycle will happen in agranal chloroplast. So you have to remember this. Agranal chloroplast, so we will do a summary. Let's look at that. Okay, whatever I am writing, you have to write on your notes, because I am erasing it from time to time, so you have to write about it. Clear? So granule chloroplast, granule, another one is agranal chloroplast. Clear? This is a summary. It is found in mesophyll cell, and agranal chloroplast is found in bundle sheath cell. The bundle sheath cells which surrounds the xylem and phloem, that is vascular bundle. In plants, we know there are present xylem and phloem, which we told the vascular bundle. The vascular bundles surrounded by some cells. Those cells are known as bundle sheath cells. Clear? So it is found in mesophyll cell, it is found in bundle sheath cell. And in granule chloroplast, what will happen? Here light reaction will take place. And in agranal chloroplast, what will happen? Dark reaction, or you may tell it C3 cycle will occur, but take place. And here grana is present, and here agranal is present, grana is absent. Here only photosystem 1, photosystem 2 both present, for which it can perform light reaction. Here only photosystem 1 will be present. Okay? So this is the basic difference. This is the modification which the C3 plants lacks. Clear? But it is present in C4 plants. Clear? So मन रख ये आम जानी C3 प्लांट रे कौन हुए? C3 प्लांट रे मेसोफिल सेल भितर लाइट रिएक्शन भी हम, डार्क रिएक्शन भी हम. क्लियर? तो से दैट इज ए डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ C3 साइकिल. जिते ऑक्सीजन कंसंट्रेशन अधिक हम, तो सही समय जदि गोटे सेल दुईटा जाक प्रोसेस होची, दैट मीन्स लाइट रिएक्शन एंड डार्क रिएक्शन, that will be harmful because it will proceed or it will leads to photorespiration, that is C2 cycle. Clear? But in normal situation, when carbon dioxide is concentration in mesophyll cell, there is a photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, that will light reaction will happen, also dark reaction will be happen in that same cell, that is no problem. But when the concentration of oxygen will be high and high temperature is high, then light reaction and dark reaction cannot take place in one cell. Clear? If it takes place, then it will leads to photorespiration. Clear? So C3 plants cannot avoid photorespiration, but C4 plants can. It has the ability to avoid photorespiration because light reaction and dark reaction occurs in two different cells. Let's see figuratively, diagrammatically we have observed that this is the epidermal cell. Yeah. Here is some mesophyll cell. Here is your bundle sheath cell. Xylem, phloem. This is Kranz anatomy. Okay. Dimorphic chloroplast we have already studied about it, agranal and granular chloroplast. This is the anatomy which is a modification in its arrangement in leaf tissue. Clear? There is modification in the arrangement of tissue which are present in leaf. Clear? Here is your stomata and here is your lower epidermis. Clear? Also here your mesophyll cells are found. Clear? This is parenchyma tissue or mesophyll cell. So what happens in C3 cycle, if this is the mesophyll cell, in C3 cycle, in mesophyll cell, both light reaction and dark reaction takes place in this cell, one cell. Here also प्रति cell रे हबो C3 cycle आउ light reaction दीटा जगह हबो, किंतु C4 plant रे कौन हुए ना C3 cycle एठी हबोनी, हबो ए जगह रे हबो केवल लाइट रिएक्शन, कारण लाइट रिएक्शन पाई जो ग्रानुल क्लोरोप्लास्ट दरकार हेटा एठी अछि मेसोफिल सेल पाखरे अछि आ बंडल शीथ सेल एमान हेले बंडल शीथ सेल एमान पाखरे अछि कोन ए ग्रानुल क्लोरोप्लास्ट आ एठी कोन हबो केवल डार्क रिएक्शन हबो। तो साइट ऑफ लाइट रिएक्शन एंड डार्क रिएक्शन डिफरेंट होछि, डिफरेंट सेल भी हो जाउछि। इज इट क्लियर? तो दीज आर बंडल शीथ सेल, जाइलम फ्लोएम को जे सराउंड करी रखिछि ये हला बंडल sheath cell. Clear? This is bundle sheath cell, it is mesophyll cell. Here granule chloroplast is present, here a granule chloroplast is present. Here light reaction will take place and in here dark reaction will take place, that is C3 cycle. देखो छुआ advantage एटा होछि तमरा this is your Kranz anatomy, these are bundle sheath cell which have very thick wall hala. These cells are very thick walled cell and it is surrounded the xylem and phloem like a wreath like manner, that is there is no intercellular place, very closely they are arranged in a wreath like manner, that is circular way, and between the cells there is no intercellular place and the wall of these cells are very thick, and this is your Kranz anatomy. Clear? Kranz anatomy means this is a modification in the arrangement of different tissue including xylem, phloem, mesophyll cell, epidermal cell. So these are arrangement. This is Kranz anatomy, may call it Kranz anatomy, which is found in C4 plants. Clear? So what is the advantage? Advantage कौन हमको मिलेगा C4 Kranz anatomy जो देखा छुआ ए जगह रे यदि छुआ लाइट रिएक्शन हबो, लाइट रिएक्शन बेले आम जानी कौन हुए नॉन साइक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन लाइट रिएक्शन नॉन साइक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन बेले ऑक्सीजन रिलीज हुए ड्यू टू फोटोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर है। तो ये जब लाइट रिएक्शन छुआ है तो ऑक्सीजन अवेलेबल ताले एट हम हाँ नहीं, तो ऑक्सीजन एठी अवेलेबल हम तो ऑक्सीजन एठी थोड़ी ना अवेलेबल हम मेसोफिल सेल लाइट रिएक्शन होती से फोटोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर हम तो ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन से अधिका अच्छी, तो एक किसी फरक पड़ोनी ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अधिका हेल्ले भी प्लांटर एक किसी फरक पड़ोनी, कारण ये जो जगह होची डार्क रिएक्शन से जगह कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अधिका रहिबो, एटी ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अधिका नहीं, ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन प्रभाव ए जगह पड़ोनी, किंतु ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इफेक्ट कोड देखा पाइबा आम मेसोफिल सेल पाइबा, कारण से लाइट रिएक्शन होची। डार्क रिएक्शन जदि सेम जगह हम ताले जदि ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अधिका प्रॉब्लम हम हाँ ना नहीं, किंतु जदि ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अधिका अच्छी बट ए जगह तो ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अधिका ना ना, कारण ये लाइट रिएक्शन है नहीं सेल मानक हाँ ना नहीं। अब बायो एनवायरमेंट रे तो अच्छी ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अधिका से तो मानुची, किंतु एति बाट पहुँचा टाइम लगे, तो यहाँ हूँ भीतर रिजन इनर रिजन सेल प्लांट को जब आम डाइसेक्ट कर देखुं एमती देखा प्लांट लीफ डाइसेक्शन करके देखुं, तो यहाँ भीतर लीफ भीतर पटक रहा, तो ये बाट ऑक्सीजन सफिशिएंटली आसब ना, तो ऑक्सीजन एफिशिएंसी आम कहीपर ऑक्सीजन जो अधिका मात्रा ये फिल हेनी, तो फिल हम ये प्लस ये भी लाइट रिएक्शन होती बहुत हम, किंतु ए जगह जब डार्क रिएक्शन होता C3 साइकिल तो सी RUBP प्रोटीन क्या एक्सेप्ट करता ऑक्सीजन को करता मन पकाओ C2 साइकिल कौन हुए RUBP रुबिलोज बाइफॉस्फेट ऑक्सीजन को फिक्स करुच्ची से तो C2 साइकिल फोटो रेस्पिरेशन होची हाँ ना नहीं, किंतु एटी भी सेम होता जब यही जगह डार्क रिएक्शन होता RUBP एक्सेप्ट करता, किंतु डार्क रिएक्शन तो एटी हम कौटी हम बंडल शीथ सेल, तो ये ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ना अधिका नहीं, ये देखा केमी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड अवेलेबल होची से विषय भी देखा, तो ऑक्सीजन हाई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को ये इजिली एवॉइड करदेव, तो यहाँ एडवांटेज गोटे ये सर नो एडवांटेज ऑफ C4 साइकिल जो मॉडिफिकेशन देखिले आम तार एडवांटेज कौन, सो इट कैन एवॉइड हाई O2 concentration ड्यू टू shifting शिफ्ट ना शिफ्टिंग ऑफ C3 साइकिल और डार्क रिएक्शन टू बंडल शीथ सेल। सो डार्क रिएक्शन ए जगह को शिफ्ट हो जाए तो से इट कैन एवॉइड द हाई कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन। आउ कौन कर देख छुआ जदि से सरफेस पाखे लीफ्र सरफेस पाखे तो से जगह टेम्परेचर भी अधिका हम टेम्परेचर अधिका रेस्पिरेशन फटा रेस्पिरेशन हो जेहेतु ये भितर पेट हो तो भितर को टेम्परेचर भी कम तो इट कैन इजिली एवॉइड हाई टेम्परेचर एंड हाई ऑक्सीजन। तो सरफेस उपरे जी प्लांट पत्र सरफेस उपरे लाइटा तापर पड़ो से जगह गरम रही जी भितर को थी कम टेम्परेचर मिले येस और नो। तो दिस इज द लॉजिक also it can avoid high temperature because bundle sheath cells present towards इनर साइड यस और नो भीतर को अच्छी बंडल शीतड़ा इनर साइड अच्छी से एवॉइड करदेव से टेम्परेचर एत हाई हम ना रहा तो टेम्परेचर हाई ऑक्सीजन कंसंट्रेशन अधिका रहा माने सीटा फटो रेस्पिरेशन हो C2 साइकिल को सी लीड कर प्रोग्रेस हो जहाँफल कि आमको माने फटो प्लांट गोटे हार्मफुल इफेक्ट बिकज सी कार्बोहाइड्रेट को सब नष्ट करदेव कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज करदेव गोटे फटो रेस्पिरेशन लॉस कहते से C4 साइकिल से सब कौन कर C4 साइकिल द्वारा C4 प्लांट मैंने को एवॉइड करें। सो आज छुआ ये नेक्स्ट क्लास में देखा एक्चुअली C4 साइकिल विषय में पढ़ा क्लीयर। तो जो स्टेप जमी आम C2 साइकिल पढ़ी कौ सेल केमी हो टोटाल प्रोसेस बायोकेमिकल प्रोसेस टाक पढ़ा क्लीयर। थैंक यू।